Alright, James, we cannot mess this up. We need to get those nuclear codes from Professor Odious Crimes. Take him out when you get a clear shot.
Ready?
Ah, Professor, I'm glad you made it. Do you have the codes?
We have everything in this bag to blow the city sky high.
We have the passports, but the money will be wide by this afternoon.
Really disgust. I'm not gonna give you the nuclear code without my money.
There he is. Looks like a clean shot. I'm gonna take it. You made your last mistake, Professor. Time to put two between his eyes. Well, the old-fashioned way it is.
Where did the gun come from?
How am I supposed to know? Maybe it was always there.
Something isn't right about this. I'm gonna go grab the gun. Hey! Get back here!
Dear Pickle, where are you? Pickle? Oh, jeez. I don't get paid enough for this. I'm coming, dear Pickle. I'm coming. Oh, I hate rocks.
Come on, James, help me!
This would be so much better if I had a gun. Oh my God! Oh, I'm coming!
You don't want to do this. You'll get the money in 2 hours.
This ends now! As long as I'm here. All in a day's work. You okay, Dill Pickle?
Let's get out of here, James.
Knock, knock.
Quickly now, take me to Florida.
Sir, I think they're headed this way. We need to intercept them now.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Florida Keys. So today I've gathered all the mafia bosses and Dave to tell you my plan. Now, since you've read my plans, we'll ransom the whole world unless they give us our demands. And please remember to save questions after the presentation.
Why are we wearing masks?
I hate you. Now, my plan is...
Do I have to be a bear?
Yes, you have to be a bear. Now, the plan is...
Question.
Alright, the next person who speaks dies.
Aw, this is crap. Come on, answer the question.
What an idiot. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we have a machine that can... What? You're back?
Just answer the question.
So for the past 5 years, I have been working with Professor Odious Crimes to build a machine that can...
I'm back and I brought lunch.
Oh my gosh. Professor, come help me with this. Now that that's dealt with, let's get to the heart of the presentation.
Could you speed it up?
Well, I didn't bring you here for tea time.
Dr. Up to No Good and Professor Odious Crimes are both on this boat, together.
Alright, so the Thunderstrike machine, along with the Golden Toad detonator, will release a toxic gas, like a natural pesticide, into the air. Enough said.
I'm gonna keep monitoring. I'll update you when something happens.
All we know about the Thunderstrike machine is that it will have deadly effects on the world. Tom, get me James. James Dick.
Yes, yes, sir.
Hello.
Name,
Dick. James Dick.
agent code
3.
3.
10.
10.
Yes.
Let me look at your file, Mr. Dick. It is 0007.
0007. Great. Awesome. Cool. Thanks, Janice.
I wonder what Dr. Up to No Good is up to right now. Probably no good.
What a nice morning. What evil things can I do today? Well, before we get to that, I need to do my push-ups. How many? 1, 5, 8, 10, 30, 54, 60. Time to a refresher. Maybe I can set a cat on fire. I think I'll push a granny today. Into the line of traffic. Send Professor up here. He's what?
Why? There's an elevator leads to stairs. Oh, finally I'm here.
Ah, James Dick, you made it. Please take a seat. So, James, how was your flight?
You stuck me in business class. Am I not good enough for first class to you? The food was garbage. The movie was garbage. You know what they showed us? You know what movie they showed us? Take a guess. All they had was peanuts. I wanted chips, but all they had was peanuts because some bratty little turd behind me decided that he wanted chips. And they were my favorite chips too. They were Cool Ranch Doritos. All that I wanted were Cool Ranch Doritos. Is that too much to ask for?
So, our forces managed to sneak in a micro camera into Dr. Up to No Good's layup. That was until our tiny detective took it out because she thought it was a bomb. She sat and waited for it to explode.
Are you serious?
Very. Check out the feed.
It's a bomb. It's a bomb. Bomb, 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 bomb. Oh, it's not a bomb. Yay!
Hello, Tiny.
Oh my, who put a goblin in here?
Hello, I'm Tiny.
I can tell.
No, my name is Tiny. I'm Tiny Detective.
My name is Dick. James Dick. It seems that we're gonna be working together.
I've infiltrated his super secret meeting, and I know where the next one will be held.
So, where to then?
Texas.
You guys can take the plane.
We've had a private plane this whole time. Do you know how important I am? This agency would be nothing without me. Absolutely jack squat. You know what? You know what? I'm tired of all of you. I am done. I'm done with this agency.
Who's flying this bird?
I am.
You're joking, right? That's a joke?
No, I actually took flying lessons 2 years ago. I got this. Don't worry about it. They don't make them like they used to. Come on, James!
Oh my god, we're all gonna die, and it's gonna be your fault. We're all gonna die.
It was just one flock of birds.
I'm gonna be.
Ew! Ew!
What can I get for you, fella?
Agua, on the rocks, please.
What's that noise?
Would you like another one?
No. No. We'll have a sweet tea, please.
What in the world? Is he really ordering another drink?
Hello, lovely ladies. I don't believe we've met. Dick. James Dick.
Beth, I need a bath.
I bet you do.
Do what?
Need a bath, of course.
How dare you? Can you stay focused, please?
Mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly, I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy.
I love this song.
Try it anything.
You wanna dance?
So I'ma just keep buying.
You may.
See you in the next life to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight. Gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an X-ray.
10 o'clock, Dr. Up to No Good's henchmen are here.
Pushing on my chest and it squeezed till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. And it squeezed till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life.
Where did you learn how to dance?
Why are you looking up? Mr. James Dick, pleasure to finally meet you. Oh, and you brought the pet.
And I see you've brought your sense of humor to Texas.
Doctor up to no good. You look smaller in person. And you look...
Denser in person.
My mommy says I'm handsome.
Tom Jones, come take care of this.
This is gonna be fun. Ooh, I think you misread the situation here, mate.
Well, guess what? Let's go take this outside, boy. It's gonna get real. So, show me what you got, boy. Come on. What you got? What you got? Sit on top.
Hey, man. 5 steps, and you're dead. 3, 4, 5. Ha
Tell me what Dr. Up to No Good is planning now. Oh, you're playing hardball, I see. Silent treatment, right? Well, I bet your partner Jones is telling Dick everything he needs as we speak.
Wait. Are you serious?
Yes, I swear on my life, I fought Freddie Venus. Take a look.
You really fought Freddie Venus? Ugh, dude.
With my bare hands.
I don't know who Dr. Up to No Good is.
Tomfoolery! Yes. No, not you. I don't have time for your foolery.
I look at Gordon Ramsay and I go, you take this war crime back to the kitchen and give me something that isn't against the Geneva Convention.
You did not say that to Gordon Ramsay. What?
That's alright. I got all the time in the world.
Tom, sweet old Tom.
Ow.
Why don't you save us all the trouble and tell me where Dr. Up to No Good is?
Now, why would I do that?
My sweet old Tom. I'll tell you why. If you tell me where Dr. Up to No Good is, I will completely reduce your life sentence. No more jail for you. Also, why would you rob a toy store with a $20 bill in your pocket?
No, not the music room. Okay, I'll talk. I'll tell you everything. That was horrible.
Now tell us where Dr. Up to No Good is. Tell us where he is!
The honey factory.
How hard was that? Sire, Sir Roman General Dill Pickles III. I know where he is. He's at the honeycomb factory.
Alright, but what is he plotting?
My tie, Tom. Thank you. What is he gonna be doing?
He's gonna kill all the bees.
What kind of bees? What kind of bees, Tom? Answer the question, please. My career depends upon it. Very well. Dilly Pickle, my guy. I gotta stop doing the tie thing. He's gonna kill all the bees. All of them.
Well, what kind of bees?
I just said all the bees.
Honey or African?
All the bees.
But what kind?
It is in my pay grade. All of the bees!
Sorry, Sir Roman General Dill Pickle III. We have to stop him.
No, we have to wait for backup.
We don't have time for backup. We need to go now.
It's an order. You're gonna wait.
I don't take orders. They aren't in my pay grade. Yelling is!
You do understand I'm your boss, right?
Nuh-uh.
I will suspend you with my suspenders.
Sir, we can handle it.
Well, alright, but we're gonna be with you every step of the way.
I'm James Dick. I don't need help.
No, not the music again!
What exactly am I looking for?
Okay, Dick, you should be arriving on set soon. It should be a 1800s industrial complex.
A big house, yes, I see it. Right in front of me. Absolutely. What do I need to know about this location, Tom?
Okay, so you should be seeing a door. Our intel says that look to the moon to find your answers.
Okay. Yes. Very well. Coast is clear, Tiny. Come on.
Yay!
These absolute buffoons left it unlocked.
You are an absolute buffoon.
Says the one that pulled on it. What exactly are we looking for?
We're looking for a way to get into the compound.
It's fake.
Look, this is Dr. Upgood's mask. It's crazy they would just leave it here.
Echo! Nope, there's nothing in here. Here.
Come on, James, can we be serious?
We have to get out of here right now. We don't have time for this.
So you can make a joke, but I can't?
Enough with your tomfoolery.
Oh, Dick, I forgot about you.
Not right now, Tom. This place is absolutely massive. Stay here and look around a bit. Corn, my worst nemesis.
How is corn your worst nemesis?
I never remember eating corn.
What?
Look, it's an outhouse.
Okay, do you need it?
We should go check it out, just to be sure.
Okay, sorry. You should be looking for a door.
Ah, yes, a door with a moon on it. I found a lever. Oh, look, stairs. Speak to me, Tom.
Okay, Dick, it says there should be a hallway right where you are.
There's no hallway, Tom.
Are you blind, mate? No, there's no hallway.
Listen to me, Dick. I'm telling you, there is a hallway right where you are.
Tomfoolery. Tom, stop.
Let me do it. You're horrible with doors. Move.
Oh, my hamstring.
I have an idea. Come here.
Professor Odious Crimes, when is the machine going to be operational?
Should be ready in about 42 hours. Once this button is clicked, all the bees will be eradicated.
Good. I never liked bees.
Me neither. Killed my mother when I was 5, killed my uncle when I was 6.
How do you put the can of beans into the Thunderstrike machine?
Simple. There's a slot labeled bean slot. Once it's in there, and once I push this button, it will release all the gasiness into the air. It'll act as a natural pesticide. Not that hard to explain.
And what about James Dick? Have you dealt with him?
Soon. You'll be under our belt soon.
Can you go any faster?
No, I can't with you on it. You're already making this difficult.
We're almost at the Thunderstrike machine.
Look, there they are.
Follow them.
Just this way, Doctor. Up these ladders. I started building the Thunderstrike machine when I was only 7 years old. Alright, now push and twist. There we go. Now, that bean gas should be filling up these tubes. Once I push this button, every bee will be eradicated in the United States.
That's it. It's empty.
Alright, let's get out of here.
What was that? Come on, Professor, we don't have the time.
Fine.
Alrighty, Dick. I know you're here. Get out of the hole or whatever crevice you're...
Ah! No! Crap baskets!
Did you just let him do that?
What was I supposed to do?
Tackle him.
Wait. Before you kill me, I have something to tell you. I'm... old. No! I'm...
A villain?
No! I'm your father!
You spew nothing but lies and blasphemy from your dirty hole of a mouth. Never say something like that again. Daddy? No. No. You are... No. No. No, this is not how this was supposed to be.
Yes, I'm your father. I met your mother at a... Honestly, I can't remember. But the reason I left you is because you came out a bit denser than expected, and quite frankly, I didn't really like you.
Is that a stupid joke or a fat joke?
Honestly, it's both. I failed you, son. Come here.
Daddy! Daddy! My father!
Can we get back to, catching the villain?
You don't see me commenting on your daddy issues, do you? Seems they were in short supply.
Wait a minute. What school did you go to?
MIT?
But that's not a real school.
Yes, it is.
What did you learn?
Religious studies?
That's not real either. What?
Yeah.
You're a disappointment.
Where were you, Daddy? Where was my child support? Mummy raised me on bread and bologna. And if I was good, a little bit of mustard. Not good mustard, either brown mustard. Just for a moment there, I loved you, but you ruined the moment. I'm taking you in.
Not on my watch.
Again!
You suck at this.
Not so hastily.
Well, Daddy, look who's hit rock bottom now. Who's the disappointment?
Good job, Dick. You finally caught him.
Yeah. I am so disappointed in you, son.
Got this.
It's not like you were there anyways. Not so fast, Dick! I still have the toe! Ah!
I got him, Dick.
Shut
Him, Dick.
so fast! Pistol whip! Ow! What is wrong with you? Ow! It was a pleasure serving you, sir.
Thank you, Dick.
So how about that pay raise?
No.
You haven't seen the last of me! You will know my name as Odious Pride, Dick!
James Dick, he's a spy, master of disguise. He's suave, he's slick, he'll never compromise. Tiny detective by his side, a little one, she's got some pride. Together they make a team, nothing as it seems. Thunderstrike, the mission's on, they'll fight till the break of dawn. Choppers, boats, and fun, they'll get the job done no matter what comes. On a quest to save the world from the villains they've unfurled. They'll infiltrate, investigate, they'll do whatever it takes. Clock is ticking, time is short, they'll have to move, there is no retort. Their enemies closing in, but we won't let them win. Thunderstrike, the mission's on, they'll fight till the break of dawn. Choppers, boats, and fun, they'll get the job done no matter what comes. Take on danger, they'll take on fear. They'll never back down, they'll persevere. They'll risk it all, their sacrifice. For greater good, they'll pay the price. Thunderstrike, the mission's on. They'll fight till the break of dawn. Choppers, boats, and fun, they'll get the job done no matter what comes.